Hey, Kiki.
What's up, Brad?
What's up, Kiki?
Kiki, you been to Trick Daddy new restaurant Sundays?
Duh. I walk there like about twice a month because I be walking. I always walk past them.
Kiki, how you doing today?
I'm doing good. Like, got a few more dollars left for my little family, but God is able. God
Ain't he able?
me.
Ain't he able?
Real
Kiki,
able.
Kiki, where
Real
you headed?
able.
Where you headed to today?
Oh, don't get me started. I'm waiting on my homegirl to come get me.
Oh, what Phat Tasha? She used to be on time.
Hold on, let me look at the blinds. I just got some new blinds with my little stimulus. Hold on, let me look at my blinds. Look at my blinds. There she go. There she go, pulling up right there. She about to hit my doggone mailbox. Well, that's not really my mailbox because we ain't got no mailbox in the fucking beans. But
Right.
that's where he put the little mail. Hold on. Drive to, she gonna, okay, hold up.
Lock your door, Kiki. Don't forget to lock your door.
I ain't got no lock, Rickey. It's like my little couch. I put it like I blocked the door so nobody can't get in.
Hey, what Phat Tasha taking you today, Kiki? Where y'all going?
Well, we got to go to the grocery store because I was at partying over the weekend. I ain't get no food. I don't know how my kids survived through the weekend, but they was sitting here starving. So I'm gonna go get them something to eat. Tasha don't just come. Oh.
Let me speak to you made it to the car yet?
Yeah, I'm at the car. Yeah, get the phone.
Rickey, what's up? Good morning.
Phat Tasha, good morning.
Good morning to you. What's up?
And where you and Kiki? Where you and Kiki going? Huh?
Rushing me like she got gas money for me though.
Where you? Phat Tasha, where you taking Kiki this morning? Y'all going to the grocery store and where else?
We go to the grocery store. Then we gotta pick up her grandma to go to noonday prayer, and that's way before noon. Nobody's trying to get us so early. So, hold on, Kiki. I gotta wait till they done praying or leave to come back.
Whatever you want to do.
Cause I got stuff to do. I got an appointment today.
So when you drop her grandma off at noon prayer, where you got to go, Phat Tasha?
Well, then I got I got an appointment. I got this dude. He a little shade tree mechanic. He does a lot of good stuff. Hold up. He supposed to be putting an outlet. Dude supposed to put an outlet in my car because I'm trying to put a microwave in here. So
Why you need Phat Tasha? Why you need a microwave in your car?
Cause I don't get out. I be in here just go. I like my food hot, like warm, cause it ain't good when it's cold.
Right.
So they just get the microwave going in here. I'll be good.
Phat Tasha, all you do is just run errands. You just run errands nonstop.
That's about it.
You ever thought about delivering for Uber Eats or DoorDash?
Ain't a lot of room. As a matter of fact, the food be gone by the time I drop it off. So I be done ate the people food. Don't get me started.
So how long?
If I do DoorDash, all I'm gonna do is warm your food up in this microwave. Just do about to put it here. So
right. So Phat Tasha, how long have you been driving? When the last time you got some rest and took a nap?
When I let the seat back last night, got a good little night. Good little night of rest. And in this PT Cruiser. This PT Cruiser just passed.
Right. And your car running good, you get the oil change and everything working on your PT Cruiser.
Yeah, because of the pandemic, they said they could do it while you in the car. I wasn't going to get out no way. But
right.
I take good care of that. The tire's going low.
They always low because you big.
Oh, my God. This girl here.
Right.
The one who need a ride.
Right. The one she need, Phat Tasha.
The one who need a ride.